Hi all, myself Via Biju from Vimaljyoti Engineering College. I am going to present my case study on the topic BitTorrent. In this presentation, I will explain what is BitTorrent, how it works, its peer-to-peer architecture, its advantages and disadvantages, the sustainable development goals related to it, its contribution to those SDGs, the security, ethical and legal issues associated with BitTorrent, and finally the future improvement. Let's begin. What is BitTorrent and how does it work? BitTorrent is a peer-to-peer architecture file sharing protocol. It is designed to distribute large files efficiently over the internet. Unlike the traditional client-server model where the file is downloaded from one server, BitTorrent allows the users to download different parts of a file from many computers at the same time. This makes downloading much faster and reduces the load on any single server. The working of BitTorrent is simple. First, the user opens torrent file or magnet link using BitTorrent client such as QBitTorrent. The client then contacts a tracker or user's distributed hash table, also known as DHT, to find user who have the file. The file is divided into many small pieces. These pieces are downloaded simultaneously from multiple peers. As soon as a user downloads a piece, it is immediately shared with other users. Once the entire file is downloaded, the user becomes a sender and helps others download the same file. The sharing process makes BitTorrent efficient and scalable. Peer-to-peer architecture. BitTorrent uses peer-to-peer architecture where every computer is connected to a network and acts as both client and server. There are four main components. The first is sender. A sender has complete file and uploads it to other users. The second is leacher. Leacher is a user who is downloading the file while also sharing the parts that have already been downloaded. The third component is tracker. The tracker helps peers to discover each other, but it does not store the actual file. Finally, there is swarm, which is a collection of all senders and leechers sharing the same file. This decentralized architecture improves the reliability because there is no single point failure. It also uses network bandwidth efficiently and provides faster downloads when more senders are available. Advantages and disadvantages. Now let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of BitTorrent. Some important advantages are it provides faster downloads because files are downloaded from multiple peers simultaneously. It reduces the load on central server and makes better use of available bandwidth. It's cost effective. It is also highly scalable because it can support millions of users. It can be misused for sharing. Disadvantages are it can be misused for sharing copyrighted content illegally. Users may accidentally download malware or fake torrent files. The download speed depends on the number of available series. Some internet service providers also restrict or slow down BitTorrent traffic. Finally, users' IP address are visible to other peers, which may affect privacy. Sustainable development goals. BitTorrent is related to sustainable development goals. The first is SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. BitTorrent promotes innovation, networking, technology by reducing dependence on the centralized server. It provides efficient and reliable way to distribute digital content while lowering infrastructure cost. The second is SDG 4, Quality Education. BitTorrent allows educational institutions and organizations to distribute learning materials, research papers, lecture videos, and open source software at low cost. This makes knowledge more accessible to students around the world. Contributions to SDGs. BitTorrent contributes to achieving these SDGs in several ways. For SDG 9, it enables efficient software distribution, reduces server congestion, lower operational cost, and support digital innovation through decentralized networking. For SDG 4, BitTorrent helps universities and educational organizations to distribute large educational resources quickly and efficiently. A good example is Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu distributes its operating system through BitTorrent, allowing millions of users to download it while reducing the load on official servers. This demonstrates how BitTorrent supports both innovation and education, security, ethical, and legal issues. Although BitTorrent has many benefits, it has several concerns. The first is security. Users may download malware or virus hidden inside the torrent file. Fake torrent file can also spread malicious software. Ethical issues. Sharing copyrighted content without permission is unethical. Users should respect intellectual property rights. BitTorrent should be used only for legal and authorized content. Legal issues. Downloading or distributing copyrighted materials without authorization is illegal in many countries. Conclusion. BitTorrent is a powerful peer-to-peer sharing protocol that enables efficient distribution of large files. Its decentralized architecture improves download speed and reduces server load. It supports SDG 4 quality education and SDG 9 industry innovation and infrastructure by promoting accessible education and innovative digital infrastructure. However, responsible use is essential to avoid security risk, copyright violation, and legal issues. Further AI-based improvements can further enhance the security, privacy, and performance of BitTorrent. Thank you.